Hello friends, today we are going to see the financial planning and its objectives. Financial planning for an organization. Now we'll start. Financial planning essentially involves preparing a financial blueprint of an organization's future business operations. So we can say the financial planning is the process of determining objectives, policies, procedures, programs, and budgets to deal with financial activities of an organization. Generally, financial planning follows the pattern of organizational planning. A financial plan is based on the organizational plan. Financial planning is undertaken for both short-term and long-term periods. The steps involved in the financial planning. The very first step is determination of financial objectives. Second is estimation of capital requirements. Third is determination of financial securities to be raised or to be issued. And the fourth one is determination of financial policies, procedure, programs, and budgets for administrating financial activities. Now we will see what are the different objectives of financial planning. The very first objective is timely availability of required funds. In that, what organizations are doing? Financial planning aims at ensuring availability of required funds at the right time. This is done on a long-term basis as well as short-term basis. It indicates how much and when fund will be required to meet financial requirements so that an organization can take suitable action to arrange these funds. The second objective is avoiding excessive raising of funds. Financial planning aims at raising funds which are in accordance with requirement of funds. Matching raising of funds and requirement of funds is important because funds have a cost. If excess funds are raised, the organization has to bear unnecessary cost. And the last one, that is objective, the deployment of surplus fund. In the present business environment, many companies are debt free and they have surplus fund. So there is a question about how these surplus funds should be deployed so that these have a maximum possible returns. Financial planning provides answer to this question. It estimates the time for which surplus funds may be available and also evaluates various options where funds may be deployed. Thank you friends. I hope you have understood what is financial planning and what are the objectives of financial planning. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.